Hi everyone, lucky enough to be gifted the Gozney IR gun, so I thought I'd do a quick review. So the first thing is it's nice and lightweight, comes with the batteries, all ready to go. Three main buttons on there. So the first one that we'll be looking at, you can change the temperature to degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, and back again. The next feature is the backlight on and off, so it's a lovely shade of blue. And the laser pointer on and off. And there it is with it on, measuring the temperature of the work surface. Some of the instructions on the side are how to get the best results out of the gun. And let's take it outside now with the Roccbox. So here we are, this is the Roccbox off, just to take a bit of a normal temperature reading. So let's switch the Roccbox on and let's get going. So here we are, high flame. Let's take another look in 10 minutes time. So yeah, after 10 minutes we're just over the 100 mark, and as you can see, temperature is building quite nicely on the stone, taking temperatures all the way around, just so you can see the gun in action. So you have to hold the trigger down to get those constant updates whilst you move it around. Found it very easy to use, straightforward, point and press basically. So let's leave it another 10 minutes. So there we go, we're up now to 300. So you'll start to see some of those temperatures on the readout are different to what are on the dial quite significantly. And this got me thinking about what do we do when we actually get up to 400 degrees. Is the Roccbox surface temperature going to be around the 400 mark, or is it going to be greater? I remember some people saying about that they're getting burnt pizzas and need a flame guard. Well, let's use this now to put this to the test. So here we are, 30 minutes later, and we're up to 400. So at the front end of the Roccbox you can see it's near enough 400, and in the middle it's 460, 470, and right at the back, as we start to go to the back, look at that, we're up into the mid 500s now, and that will result in a burning pizza. So let's just take some more readings here, and then let's give it another 10 minutes on a low flame, just to see if it balances out. So after 10 minutes, look, we're still on 400. Now let's check out to see how the temperatures are on the stone. So this is after that 10-minute rest on the low flame, and as you'll see, there's a distinct difference in temperatures as we go through, look at the various zones in the Roccbox. So earlier, if we'd have launched a pizza, more than likely the base would have burnt, because we thought it was around 400 as it said on the dial, but actually the temperature is significantly higher. So just giving it that 10 minutes extra, just to calm down and for the heat to evenly distribute throughout the stone, will make a big difference. And realistically, you don't need that heat guard. So here's some before and afters. So 527 before at the back, and then 468 at the back after 10 minutes. In the middle, 495 beforehand, and then afterwards, looking at 429. So again, significant temperature differences. So let's launch a pizza. Here we go, pepperoni, everyone's favourite. Let's make sure that's in the middle. Now we'll speed this up because I've not that much time to waste around. Now look, it's in the middle towards the back, and you'll see the back edge starting to rise, and in a minute we'll get the turning peel out and we'll turn that pizza around, and you should start to see the leoparding effect. So I always warm mine up in the flame. We'll just give it a little turn now, and there you go. It's not burnt, some nice spotting on the crust. I think one of the things to remember here is the IR gun is identifying that the stone temperature is a lot different to what it is on the dial, and that can make a massive difference to your pizza cooking experience. and that you're not burning the base. So we'll take this out, and it looks fantastic, making my mouth water. Let's have a look underneath. There you go, a couple of spots, but you know, nothing really massively burnt. So let's cut it up. Let's have a look what that crust looks like inside. Here we go. So it's lovely, doesn't it? And it really was a nice pizza. If you're wanting to see recipes, we've got some ones in the links and descriptions. So there we are, that's it boxed up. Fantastic pizza. Now for the IR gun, here we go. This is from the Gozney website. This is all the features that it's got, and it lives up to expectations. It's a really good product, and it really does help. So well done, Gozney, for releasing this one. It's £39, available on the Gozney website. Fantastic product, really does help with your pizza making. Bye for now.